So T code for tables is SC11, SC16. These all comes under tables. Okay, so I'm going to show you the database table. What is the purpose of database table? I already told you while doing some Amazon things, it will be stored into the table like purchase order, sales order, invoices, everything will be stored in the table. So if you want to fetch the data, then you have to write the ABAP logic to take the data from the table. Let me take one table. Let me take some Mala table. Okay, if you click on go to this database table, give the table name and give display, it will have the tables with all the corresponding fields and data element. What is mean by fields? Okay, fields is nothing but if you take a laptop, it will have the laptop ID. For that HP laptop, what are the things associated with it? The motherboard, the keys, everything will be stored in a single ID. Okay, so I will show you how it will be. So in this table, go and check the table content. We don't have any description for Mara. Mara is nothing but general master data. And here you can see the here you can see the general master data description, short description. Similarly, if you give some other table means it will give that table description also. I will show that as well for you. We have multiple tables like Mara, EKKO, EKPO, BSEG, all those things. Okay. So here you can execute, then you can able to see the content. Okay, so I'm taking this one, material 3. Okay, material 3 ID was 3 and it's created on 2023 28/7 at this time and created by user ID based. And last change again, someone got changed this one on October month. Who changed that one? Best, which means this user ID. And then maintenance status, everything can be stored. Bill of unit, bill of order, material type, everything will be stored in this field. Okay, size category, page format, size dimensions, everything, all those things are available. So that is the reason all the companies are going for SAP. So if you take one table, you have all the options. Okay, so you can store anything there. If you see here, you can able to see many things there. For one material, you can able to store these many details. If you want to add additional fields also, you can add. That will comes under enhancement. Okay, so in this table, you have these data. I want to take only line number 7 means I have to write a ABAP program. Select what are the fields. I can take material number, created and created time. That's it. Also, I can take material number, complete status and material status. That's it. That like I can able to take it off. So all the tables should have one primary key. All the tables should have one primary key. Okay, so all the tables should have one primary key. These are standard tables available in the SAP. You can also able to create the table. Okay, this table is for material storage. For example, you want to create one table to store employee. You are working in an organization. In an organization, you have some employees. You want to store your employee ID, employee name, and employee date of joining and employee date of birth. All those things means you have to create one table, but you should start with Z or Y. Z employee. Then you have to create a table, Z employee. Then you have to create fields. Here you have to create a fields like employee name, employee number, employee number. Employee number is the primary key. So all the primary keys should be on top. Okay, employee number and then employee name, and then his date of joining, date of birth, and his address, mobile number. You can give and store it. All the things should start with Z only. Okay, so then you have to specify the data element. So how to specify whether the field is primary key or not? If you see this one, key ID, this one key ID, it's called primary key. Initial means it should not be initial. You have some values, 0, 1, 2, 3, something like that. Okay. Yeah. Any doubt in this table and ABAP program creation? Anyone have any doubt? Before I'm going to next topic, if you have any doubt, means I will clear your doubts. Okay, good. So this is how we are going to write ABAP programs. Okay,